Mae pobl yn meddwl weithiau, ond 4 diwrnod y flwyddyn ni'n gweithio. Wrth gwrs, mae'r gymdeithas yn bodoli ac yn weithgar drwy gydol y flwyddyn. Ac un o pethau dyn ni'n gweithio arno, wrth gwrs, yw'r gwobrau anrydeddus y gymdeithas sy'n cael ei cyflwyno ar brynhawn dydd Llun. Ac un o'r rei mwyaf nodedig, wrth gwrs, yw'r Gwobr Syr Brynner. Wel, y thema eleni yw gwobrwyo unigolyn sy'n gwneud cyfraniad eithriadol i sioe bach rhywle yng Nghymru. Mae cael sioe frenhinol o'r maint yma, sioe genedlaethol, yn ddibynnol, wrth gwrs, ar rwydwaith iachus ffyniannus o sioe bach ledled Cymru. A mae'n bwysig bod ni'n cydnabod sioe bach sy'n cyfrannu cymaint at adeiladu hyder ymysg arddangoswyr a'r unigolion hynny sydd wedi gwirfoddoli dros degawdau i sicrhau bod eu sioe bach leol nhw neu sioe sirol nhw yn darn bwysig o frethin cefen gwlad. Mae gyd yn chwarae rhan yn y teulu bwysig yna sydd gyda ni o sioe amaethyddol. A mae'n rhan o dreftadaeth ni'r Cymru, dreftadaeth ni cefen gwlad Cymreig. Felly y 3 sydd wedi cyrraedd y restr fer eleni yw Edward Morris o sioe tref a gwlad Penfro, Enid Bryn, sioe Môn neu y Prymun, a Brian Davies o sioe Aberhonddu. A pnawn fori fydd y cyhoeddiad mawr. Mae pob un yn deilwng iawn, ond pwy o'r 3 fydd yn mynd â hi?
Ie, dyna chi hoelion 8 y sioea amaethyddol lleol. 3 ar y rhestr fer, felly Enid, Edward a Brian yn cynrychioli Môn, Penfro ac Aberhonddu. 2 ddeirniad oedd, Susan Jones a Harry Featherstone Ho, ac yn gynharach, mi gawson ni wybod pwy sydd wedi ennill Gwobr Syr Brynner Jones eleni.
And it is great pleasure that we award the 2026 Syr Brynner Jones Memorial Award to, well, we have a drum roll because we have a golden envelope, ladies and gentlemen. We don't do things by halves, okay? So I'm just going to announce the winner of the Syr Brynner Jones Memorial Award goes to the gentleman from the feature county, Mr. Brian Davies.
A Sir Brycheiniog yn Sir Nawdd, braf di cyhoeddi ynde. Brian Davies yn enillydd Gwobr Syr Brynner Jones, the Syr Brynner Jones Memorial Award. How does that sound, Brian?
Oh, I'm very, very humble, very honoured, very, very honoured to think that I've been top of 15 counties. It's tremendous honour, really.
And on home turf.
Yes, yes, and our featured county as well. It couldn't be a nicer honour to win.
And whereabouts do you farm? You're not far from the show.
No, 14 miles down the road towards Brecon. Yeah, we're farming a beef and sheep farm there. We farm 250 acres altogether, beef and sheep, and 150 of the sheep are pedigree sheep. Yeah. And we've got no sheep here today, obviously, because on Wednesday I've got the honour of judging the Supreme Champion of the sheep.
Yes, I understood.
Yeah,
so
it's a big week for me.
After this interview is over, you must disappear.
Oh yes, yeah.
You can't be seen here or anywhere near the sheep.
No, I don't want to go near them.
No, it's a big day for you then. And today, what a week.
Well, yes, indeed, yes.
Yes.
Great honour.
But tell me about the show then. The Brecon show, it's the oldest
It's the oldest show in the United Kingdom, probably in the world.
In the world?
Yes, started in 1755. I've travelled quite a bit of the world, and I haven't found a show as old. And I've been involved with it for now 60 years this year. I was put on the board when I was 21, so that's 59 years last year, and I've been involved, just been chairman, vice chairman to start in 6 years, chairman for 6 years, and then president and a board of director for 59 years, and still am.
Yes, and how strong is the show?
Oh, it's very strong. We're a committee of about 30, 25 turn up, and it goes from strength to strength, really. It's a one-day show. We get somewhere in the region of 20,000 people there on one day, and a nice day like this, people just flock there. Yeah. Because there's something there for everybody.
And are you passing the baton on to the next generation and the generation following that generation?
Yes, we try to get young people involved. I'm a great advocate, really, in training young people in stockmanship and getting people to show sheep and be interested in showing and, judging and so forth. I help as much as I can. And it brings people out and onto the committee, and we go from strength to strength.
Well, it's wonderful to have such leadership.
Well, I don't know.
Yes.
I tried my best.
Yes. Well, that's been awarded today.
Yeah.
Brian, treasure it. Llongyfarchiadau mawr and all the best on Wednesday as well.
Thank you very much.
Diolch yn
Thank
fawr.
you.
Llongyfarchiadau.
Thank you. Thank you.